Hundreds of thousands of Haitians woke up without legal status today after their temporary protected status expired. It comes after the Supreme Court sided with President Trump over the issue. Our ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo spoke with local Haitians who fear ICE will now target their community.
An attorney whose law office is based out of this Normal Heights church tells me he represents hundreds of Haitians with TPS across the country, all left with an uncertain future about what happens next. More than 300,000 Haitians in the U.S. woke up Monday to uncertainty as their temporary protected status expired. Just last month, the Supreme Court ruled the Trump administration could end their legal status.
Anxiety, really. There's a lot of fear that is spreading around.
Wismic St. Jean is a Haitian San Diego-based attorney representing roughly 600 Haitians with TPS nationwide. He's worried about reports that ICE operations will now target the Haitian community, even those who have pending immigration cases like asylum.
Because we know this administration deported people even though they have immigration benefits pending.
The Department of Homeland Security posting this to X Monday, saying temporary protected status is exactly that. Temporary, posting an image of a web browser that reads, quote, "Your free trial of America has ended."
The streets are empty. Everybody's staying home.
Gerline Joseph is the president and co-founder of the Haitian Bridge Alliance, a San Diego-based nonprofit that advocates for Haitian immigrants around the country. She's been meeting with Haitians in New York all day and taking calls from people too afraid to leave home.
She probably woke up and said to herself, according to the U.S. government, I woke up illegal.
Both St. Jean and Joseph argue that Haitians are the backbone of many industries in the U.S., saying Haiti is in turmoil and dangerous.
I often say that in court that Haiti is no country to send anyone back. It is a death sentence.
They're both working with Haitians to create family plans in case people are detained by ICE as the legal protections expire, and are urging Congress to pass SB 4814, legislation that would protect Haitians in the U.S. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.